Hello guys, welcome back to Traveling Gingerly. I'm your host Josh. Today we are at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg for Hollow Scream. So we're going to go do some haunts, do some scare zones, and have some fun. Come with me. This might be the first scare zone. Not exactly sure. There's just a lot of fog. I don't know where the scare zones are. This is my first time at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. So I have no idea where anything is. So I guess we'll figure that out. Alright, we got the first house. Killarney Diner. Here we go. We bought the quick queue because ain't no way we're waiting in this line. So let's get right into the house here. Alright, here we go. Alright, first house of the night. Killarney Diner. A lot of body bags. Jesus. Oh my God. I shook the whole camera. Whoa. Jesus. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Just dark. It's just dark. I think we're out of the house. Yep, we are out of the house. Alright, so we just got out of the Killarney Diner, and I will say I think we were missing a lot of scare actors. I think it was a bad-ish run-through, but all in all, a very well-themed house, and I would highly recommend it. But please get the express pass, because the lines are long, it's warm out here, surprisingly, and you're going to need it. So I would do it. And the rating for the house, I give it like a...
Yeah, I'll give it 3.5.
I give it like a 3 out of 5 stars. So do with that what you will. Alright guys, welcome to the first scare zone. The Bash. For the anniversary of Busch Gardens here.
Hey, you dropped something. Oh, you guys want to get me too? Get my good side. Oh, wait, it's this side. Oh, it's every side.
Sorry, I should have been pulling through. I got it. Chainsaw. Chainsaw, what's up, my boy? Look out here.
Chainsaw.
The cancer. Oh, we enjoyed it. Thank you. Brothers! Very nice!
Skeleton recording again.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, that's out of it. Alright, next scare zone is Stalker Street. Let's go through it. We can't go over it, we can't go under it, we gotta go through it.
You want to try funnel cake here again?
Nah, I'm good.
Place we got sick.
No.
Just was saying I want to try funnel cake again, so I said, want to do it here.
Maybe this isn't a scare zone.
It's supposed to be.
I guess. I think it's listed as one.
Oh, the Jello thing is a syringe. Because up there it says spiked
Huh. Hibiscus and June spiked pink lemonade. I don't know anything here. No? Okay.
There's actors down here.
Oh, is there? Sweet.
Just gotta get deeper into it.
Gotta get stairs on that right now.
This characters are very good at playing scarecrows. That's where we're going. Okay.
Oh, there's a ride.
All right.
There's more actors up here. A bungee person.
There's a bungee person? Oh, she. I think we're out of the scare zone now. And that's the smoking section in case anyone cares over there.
It's finally a bungee person.
Pretty cool bridge. Pretty cool bridge. Yeah, scare zone. What was this one called? Scary Tail Road.
If I don't get to be real, nobody should.
Oh, Stein, that's pretty cool.
All right. People were getting really scared in that one. I don't know why.
It's like Duloc's castle over here.
Oh yeah. I think that's where they have a show, don't they? Usually. But yeah, I don't know why so many people were freaking out in that scare zone.
I'm gonna go B-roll this real quick.
But to each their own. Pretty cool display. All right, so I got the syringe jello shot. So let's try this. It's pretty much the spiked fruit punch. Oh wow, that is strong. For 12 bucks, I actually highly recommend this a lot. Yeah, it's a pretty strong Jello shot.
I'm gonna really fun pop.
If you don't like fruit punch, you're not gonna like it.
But let's do a review.
So that's my review of it. I give it like 3 out of 5 stars. It's a basic Jello shot, but it's very good. And it comes in like a souvenir glass. So I mean, what more can you ask for? All right, second house, Monster Manor. Gotta show our quick cue. Just have it out. Monster Manor time, boys. All right, we're in. Like I said, guys, quick queue is a very, very helpful buy. It might be expensive, but I think it's worth it because these lines can get pretty insane. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to enjoy my night and not spend it in a line all night. So let's get to the front of this line and go on through Monster Manor. Monster Manor time. Monster Manor, first one in the dark. Go get loud. Sorry, headphones users. Ready to play the game? A lot of bodies. Something went wrong here. Yeah, that was pretty good. All right, so here's my review of Monster Manor. It was a really good house, a genuinely really good house. The once again, there was a few boo holes that I thought could be filled, just as a nitpick. But it was great theming, great immersion. I don't know if you guys saw it in the vlog, but there was a pumpkin that I thought was a statue, and I just filmed it like I thought it was like a non-moving prop. And as I was turning away, he jumped out at me and scared the daylights out of me. So 10 out of 10 to that guy if you're watching. Amazing job, because that was a great scare. I'm pretty sure you saw my camera like shake around because I genuinely jumped for that. It was really good. I give that like a solid 4.5 out of 5. Like, that was a really good house. Actually, I might go 4. I might go 4 out of 5 for this event. They're always scaled depending on which event I go to, but maybe that'll change. I don't know. But regardless, this one, the last one was a 3 out of 5. This one's a 4 out of 5. Again, a very, very solid house. I highly recommend it. And yeah, you didn't really need quick queue for this one. It was pretty short line, so if that helps you out with deciding anything, then there you go. All right.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, where are you going? Come back. Come back, come back.
It's a cool scare zone. I didn't realize she was moving. Pretty cool. If you pardon the screams. That was a pretty cool scare zone.
Or the tree?
I don't know what people did.
Go through the fog.
Okay. In case you guys wanted to see some merch. There's a little bit of merch here.
Let's see if they have it.
Just a little bit of the merch.
All the houses on it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, that one's cool. It's a pretty cool shirt. All right. Next one, Water Bayou. And this is why we get express, people. Because that line is crazy. So let's go in. Ready? Going on in.
looks like pretty decent. This looks like we're pretty decent.
This is a pretty substantial wait for this one. So this is another one you're gonna want a fast pass for. All right, this is the line we're skipping. We keep going, keep going. This is a gigantic line.
Out of nowhere.
Apple Watch at home.
Yeah, it will always be worth the money to skip the line.
That was all.
All right, time to go in. Let's get it. Manor Morte.
It's only a bayou. Nothing more, nothing less. Just the bayou.
Ready to die!
Are you ready? The party.
She says it's a party, so. Oh, jeez.
Nobody's my bayou.
I love a party that has snacks.
What the fuck is that? Jesus.
On uneven flooring.
It is. I didn't trip a couple times.
Yes, yes, yes.
I cannot see.
I can't see.
Whew. Oh, God.
Yep, these beans. Maybe not, I don't know. Nice beard.
What do you think so far? I'm just kidding. I know. I'll spoil you.
This laser beam is sweet.
Man,
This laser beam, I want to see where we're going.
every time it messes with me.
Oh, jeez. What is this? This is a very cool theming. Another Bayou house.
Ready to try? Stay in the bayou.
It smells like
A little bit, yeah.
vanilla bean.
Ready to try? Come back here!
Oh my god, that's so funny.
That's it.
Alright, so I just got out of, what was it called again?
That's Water Bayou.
Water Bayou. A really well themed house. I will give it that. Really well themed house. What's the right word for it? Like, I really appreciate theming a lot. That factors into my grade. But it was not scary. And that's what I've realized about these houses. Is no offense to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, but Tampa is actually scary. And that's what my little complaint is right now. Because I had to go back and redo my other ratings. Like, I would rate the first one, Killarney, Killarney, as a solid 2. I would rate the Monster one a solid 2.5, and I'd rate this one a solid 3.5. They're good houses, but they lack any scare factor, and they lack any like gravitas to them, if you will. But that's just my opinion, obviously. It's a perfect event if you have never been to haunts and you want to slowly introduce yourself to them. But besides that, there's nothing wrong with them. So you'll have to come here and make your own decisions, but you do need a express pass because the lines get very, very long. So keep that in mind. All right, on to the next one. Oh, this pass looks pretty cool. Anytime you light up trees, it's pretty cool. Makes them look very unique. Enjoy this little scenic walk to the last house. Jesus Christ. They just ramped that speaker from 0 to 3,000. That was an insane speaker level. Oh, this is formerly Atlantis, right? Or is it still Atlantis?
No, it's Escape from Pompeii.
Oh, yeah. I wish it was open. I'd go. I would go right now if it was open. Especially if it's in the dark ride. Yeah, that's why it's closed. Lost Mine is inside. Yeah, it's inside of the Escape from Pompeii. I'll see you. This does have very good potential to be very good. So let's go. Yeah, let's put it that way. All right, into Lost Mountains. I felt weird holding people up. That was weird. I know, but that was weird. Why did everyone stop? You have a camera and all of a sudden everyone stops. Whoa. Enter right. Where's the quick queue? This is pretty cool.
Yeah, the line is actually like the line for the regular ride, but it's like
Oh, that was a step there. Okay. Wow. This is a very cool queue. This is a very cool queue.
That was a line, so that one didn't have a line.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Apparently there was no line for this one, so here we are.
I can't.
What? I already know somebody's about to jump out. I feel it. I feel it. Someone's about to jump out. Someone's about to jump out. I feel it. I feel it. I already know. I already know. I already know.
Oh my god! I think you're pretty guilty. Don't touch it! This is my lawn! Don't touch it! No, you're stolen right now! You touch that! Are you lost? Oh my gosh, you're scary! Don't touch my
I know what you stole. Oh my god.
Gonna join us for dinner?
Doing a kiss on camera.
God, look at you laying on the bed. Come on, cousin. Oh my god. Really wild. I know.
Can I be in your vlog?
I'm in your
Wait, are you vlogging? Ew! Stop! You're scaring me! not going so fast. I should have worn my first suit.
I knew you was right here too.
Alright, so I just got out last mines, and it's about the same. It's a very good theming, extremely good theming, but the scares lack a lot, and that's a disappointment for how cool mine shaft could be scary. So I would recommend that Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, really kind of steps up their game when it comes to their haunts, because it's just not on the level of other haunts that are like theme park based. So that's my 2 cents. I give this one another solid 3. So overall, the whole event probably gets a solid 3. So that's about where I'm leaving it.
It took it away from me.
And yeah, so that's all the houses. And I'm sure I'll come back to you with something else here in a second. So stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, sorry for the language that you heard, because those people were obnoxious, and I don't condone that much swearing and being a menace inside of a house. People are trying to enjoy going through a haunted house. They don't need people screaming for no reason and being a nuisance. So that's my 2 cents on that. Alright. Second time through. Hopefully we don't get anybody behind us. Hopefully there's no annoying people this time.
Let's get it, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let me out! Come on, come on, come on! Let me out!
They're mine. No hiding in the mine.
going back through it, I'm going to update my score to a nice 4. I'm going to upgrade to a 4. Because it's very good. Yeah, I'm going to upgrade to 4 just because it is very well themed and it probably is the best haunt of the night.
I think it has the least dead space too.
It does have the least dead space. So I will give this the highest grade out of all the haunts. So that's the official score here, is a 4. Alright, so that pretty much concludes our night at Busch Gardens, Howl, Virginia. All in all, I really don't think that the event is really worth the price, to be honest. If you pay for the express pass, you get through all the houses, no problem. We have an hour left of the night technically, but we're about to leave. You get through everything fine, but then you're disappointed by the quality of the houses. But then if you don't pay the express pass, you're going to be waiting for like 45 to an hour probably for each house, for at least 2 of the houses, and feel like you wasted time doing houses that you didn't really want, like that you didn't feel were worth waiting like 45 minutes to an hour for. So I feel like either way, try to find a different haunt. Like seriously, go to, even in Virginia, you can go to King's Dominion Halloween Haunt. That is a really good event. And I do have a problem with the lack of themed food. Not that I was really gonna buy any, but there's not really themed food at all. There's a few drinks, and they're fine, but themed food compared to every other park that does a haunt, themed food was not a priority of this event, and I think they're missing out on money by not making it a priority and advertising themed food. But yeah, so all in all, I still had a good night here, but I don't think I'd recommend it to someone if they asked me my opinion on it. Of all the haunts I've been to, I'd probably rate this a solid 2 stars. Not a good haunt, but not abysmal. So that's pretty much going to conclude our night here at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. So yeah, follow me, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.